That should be enough. And then food coloring is optional, but I'm not going to add it right now because I have detergent as my activator. And if you add it right now, it's going to turn a different color because of blue. But if you do it at the end, then it'll actually turn to the color you want. So I am going to put in some vanilla bean oil lotion. So if you're new to this, if you're new to making slime, lotion makes your slimes stretchy. So I'm going to add some mousse to make it the teeniest bit fluffy, but it doesn't really. But like, it makes it really glossy. And plus I'm almost out too, so. So like, I usually only add like about that much. So, and then I'm going to add the same kind of lotion except it's perfume, but I only add like 1 or 2 sprays just because. And then you are going to mix, and there I go again with my tiny mixing tool. But yeah. See, you know, I never really knew, but I think mousse actually activates your slime because it's always been clumping up way more than what, you know, it just activates a lot. So, and then you are going to add your activator. Activator, you can have detergent, Tide actually. I don't know if Gain works, but last time I tried it didn't really work. Borax, contact solution, baking soda, and there's lots of other things probably, but those are the ones I've only used for. And then you'd add a little bit at a time while you're making it. So you just keep mixing until it's like, you know, regular slime. So yeah. And yes, detergent is toxic, just like borax. I'm going to set this aside for now while I go in with my hands. It's optional if you want to go in with your hands, but that's what everybody does. Like, and they usually go with both hands. But I'm gonna you only use in one hand. See, it's actually really coming together like a lot. And if it's just a little bit sticky, you just add more detergent. So yeah. So now it is practically off my hands. Finally. I really needed to get off my hands. So I will show y'all the finished product when everything is off my hands and non-sticky anymore, and then like I will show y'all when I'm coloring it and all that. So yeah. So I did get the slime to be done. So now I am going to color it. And y'all might think, why are you coloring this color? It's practically already that color. But I am going to be coloring it blue. Because that is my favorite color. And yeah. Oh man, I got it on my finger. comment down below if you like this color, and comment down below if you don't. Please comment, because I just want to know. I really do like this color though. Comment down below if you've made slime too, and if you haven't. And comment down below if this was a really big help for you. It's okay if you comment down below if it wasn't, but it's okay because I bet a lot of you make really good slimes. Sometimes I mess up my slimes and sometimes I don't, you know. Really hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss any more videos. And also make sure to share with family and friends.